In this video I am going to show you the unboxing and installation of dummy battery on Sony APS-C cameras. Here is my Sony a6400. This dummy camera is from Neewer. You can see the model number NT-FW50 USB power adapter kit. It is made in China. I got this power adapter from US. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. On opening the box, you will find the adapter and the wires. Here is a user manual. In total, you will get two attachments. One is a type A to power. I think I don't know the port. And here is a dummy battery. This side goes into the camera, and other side I think I need to fix it like this. Okay. Here is my Sony a6400. First, let's remove the battery from the camera. Here is the battery of my Sony a6400. Here you can see that the size looks same. Let's insert it. Here you can see that I have connected the dummy battery to the power source. Let's turn on. Once it turn on, you can see that the camera is working perfectly and I can record the videos without any issue. Here you can see that since it has a wire, you need to close the door. To close the door on A6400, on the battery cover, you can see that you will find this small cutout like this. Simply move outward like this and just move outward and close the battery door. Here you can see that. If you can see properly, the battery door is closed. First let's turn off the camera and remove the battery. And here you can see that the battery door looks like this. Now you need to place this lid in the proper position. Here you can see that now it is in the proper position. Now you can simply close the door. If you want to use the dummy battery again, open the battery cover and place the dummy battery inside like this, and on the battery cover you have this small cutout. You need to remove like this outwards and place the and close the lid. Here you can see that it works perfectly. You can keep the camera on the tripod and you can use the Sony cameras for longer hours by using direct power source, or you can use the power bank and you can record long videos more than 1 hour or 2 hours depending upon your storage space. I always recommend to have a dummy battery if you are a content creator and create long form of videos using your Sony cameras. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Neewer dummy battery for Sony cameras. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.